Good morning, teacher. My name is Victor Porcel, and today I will present the case of plagiarism between Samsung and Apple, and then I'm going to talk about what collaborative work is. This presentation will begin with the case of study, Samsung versus Apple. Then I'm going to talk about what's the importance of collaborative work, and then I will finish this presentation with a summary. Now I'm going to start the presentation with this case of study of plagiarism between Samsung and Apple. This happened in 2011. This was a major case between these companies because Apple accused Samsung of copying essential design features like the shape of their devices, the icons, and in general, the interface. This case was also important because it showed how plagiarism can happen even in the highest levels of the industry and how it affects the innovation and competition. This all resulted in financial penalties for Samsung, and it was a major case, and it had relevance in ethics, innovation, and overall competitive strategy. And why this case matters? Well, first of all, this case is relevant for business engineering because it highlights the ethical challenges that companies face when they innovate. It also shows what plagiarism can lead to, um, such as serious consequences, including lawsuits and financial penalties. And finally, it teaches us that originality and respect for intellectual property are necessary for build strong and sustainable businesses. Having finished the first part of this presentation, I'll talk about the second part that is the importance of collaborative works. I will read the most important things that collaborative work does for us, such as facilitates interdisciplinary solutions, enhances creativity and innovation, improves efficiency and task coordination, promotes ethical practices and transparency, and also improves social interactions. I think that teamwork also improves efficiency and coordination, especially in complex projects, and it also encourages us to work with transparency and ethical behavior. And finally, to conclude this presentation, we would say that plagiarism affects innovation and company reputation. For future business engineers, it's essential to have an ethical behavior. Talking about teamwork, it also threatens projects, outcomes, and integrity. And overall, it protects valuable business information such as formulas and algorithms. Thank you for your attention. It was all my presentation.